Namaste. Nepal is a small and landlocked country in South Asia. It is mainly situated in the Himalayas, also divided into three geographical regions such as Himalayan region, Mid-Hill region and the Tarai region. The major part of land is occupied by the hilly regions. It is a developing country. The total area of Nepal is 147,181 square kilometers. The population of Nepal is about 31 million. It is an agricultural country. More than 50% people are farmers. Nepal is multi-ethnic, multi-religion, multicultural and multi-language country. However, Nepali is the official language. It is a home of the Mount Everest and the birthplace of the Lord Buddha. Beauty is everywhere in Nepal. Thank you. Namaste.